2000 Mazda MPV, plate number. Had to remove the battery, the air box, upper intake to get this hose out. Goes to the water pump apparatus. If you replace a water pump on one of these, don't just replace the water pump. There's too many plastic parts that get old and break, just like this one back here. This is a heater line. It breaks off with the slightest bit of pressure, whether it's steam pressure from overheating or whatnot. And then you get it stuck in here, and you can get them offline, but you have to, it's just quicker to go to the dealership local and pick them up at your Mazda dealer, or since this is a Ford, might as well just go to the Ford dealer. They more than likely have this exact product, since everything on here is Motorcraft. Even the water pump says FOMOCO. So this punk goes down in there. So there, you can see the plastic elbow coming out of the water pump. That goes to the screwy cooling system. It's like they completely forgot when they were building the car. Oh, we forgot to put a cooling system in. Let's put a oh no, it's going to overheat. Anyhow, this is what I've had to do. Even had to disconnect the EGR to get the upper plenum off. Vacuum lines galore. I'm going to go ahead and put a thermostat in it since it's out. It got hot, so I just don't trust it without it. I just hope all these other plastic apparatuses, as this Y here, it's about 170, 270 bucks. Parts man wasn't too sure without looking it up completely. It's like molded rubber over molded plastic. You can see the plastic in there, and it's really a pain in the arse. The water pump runs off the back of the camshaft. And this particular model does have a itty bitty baby tensioner. This could be a problem. These are fuel lines I had to disconnect. See here? See where it's eating away here. That's the electronic shifter manual. It's crazy. Look at all these tools. Look at this. All up here. Nice persuader. All these. Here's the initial problem. The mechanic replaced the water pump while it's still on the vehicle, which is available. But what you don't know is that there was a small hairline crack. This is where that plastic elbow was. It come up and went off that way on the new one. Plastic elbow. It's like a fibrous plastic. You can kind of see it sparkle where it broke. It belongs there. Whoop. Oh, I'm going to overheat the car now. Okay, sounds great. Let's tear up everything. So anyhow, this is going to hook her up good. They need a good vehicle, so this will help them. And this is junk. Get to the junk man. Here's the upper plenum. Disconnect cables. Disconnect the throttle cable. You gotta pull it up, hold it up, and reach down, push it through this way. You're gonna slide out that slot down there. Whoops. And come back up. This one here just kind of slides off. Yeah, gotta be careful that EGR. Those 2 bolts right there will snap off. These tried to, but I was able to get the crescent wrench on the back of it there. I think her PCV valve may be bad, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that while I got it off. Just another trip to the auto parts store. See how this is loose? It's not good. Yeah, we got to do a little bit more setup on here, so it should be okay. Okay, out for now. Here we go.